Hi and welcome back to another review. Today, as you can see, we've got a pair of trainers. We've not done a pair of trainers on this channel for a while, so I thought it's about time that I went out and got a new pair and we can do the unboxing together. These trainers were purchased from uashoe.ru. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. As always, the trainers have come by FedEx and I believe it has got the standard box that they are in to protect the actual trainer box and the trainers themselves. I'm not going to move it around too much because obviously it's got my address details on the flip side. So yeah, just want to show you though how they arrive. Seller, as I said, is uashoe.ru. Details for them will be in the description of the video. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do reviews on a weekly basis. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So I'll get this bag open, the FedEx bag, and then I'll show you what the box is that the trainers have come in. So this is what we have under the FedEx bag. It is just a brown box, and this is what I said you get them in, and it just protects the actual box that the trainers are in themselves. I do like the fact they put them in these boxes actually. Nothing fancy about this at all. It's just a standard brown box. So again, I'm going to cut away, I'll get this opened, and then I'll show you for the first time what trainers we've got. Okay, so here we have the box that the trainers have come in, and as you can see, they are Air Jordans. So you've got the Air Jordan man on the top. Flip it around here and you'll get the first look at which ones these are. So they are the Air Jordan 4 Retros in white, tech grey, black, fire red. Size UK 10.5. For those who have been around the channel a while, you'll know these ones then must be for me. There is a suggested retail price on the box, which is $190 US. It's got a QR code there as well as a barcode. On the bottom of the box, got information around Nike. It does fascinate me just how they try to get these replicas to look like the real thing. So we'll flip it over and then we will open the box and you'll get the first glimpse of what trainers we have. Oh, we do have some information here, which is around UAShoe. So it's their website, uashoe.ru. You've got their WhatsApp details, their Instagram, and a discount code MATTHEWCX, which will save you $10 off any orders from them. They've also got a TikTok there as well. Don't worry about recording or writing this down. All this information will be in the description of the video. But moving that out of the way, I'll give you now the first look at what trainers we have ordered. And here they are. These look absolutely lovely. Nice and white. Don't know how long I'll keep them white for. But yeah, I will cut back and we'll go through a detailed look at each trainer. And here they are out of the box. So we'll start with the left trainer. I'll give you the full look around. I'll zoom in a little bit actually. Got a nice little air bubble down there. Back, the Jumpingman. Cage, quite soft. Jump over and look at the grip. That looks good. Inside the trainer, we do have one of the shoe horns, which obviously just keeps it in shape. And then if we look inside, the Air Jordan, if I can get down there, and you can see all the information around the trainer. I say, these feel really strong. I've taken that shoe horn out, but they still feel really solid. Looking good so far. Okay, moving to the second trainer now. Just push that one to the back. I do love a pair of white trainers. My worry is always going out in them though, because they're going to get filthy so quickly. So for me, this is probably going to be one of those ones that I just wear when I'm at work actually. I'm fortunate enough that I can wear any sort of footwear when I'm in the office. So yeah, these are going to be a work pair on a day where it's not raining as well. Get rid of that again, just to keep the shoe in good shape. And inside we have the same information, so you can see it down there. Again, I can't pull anything out of these ones because it's so tight and so secure. But what I'm going to do now, as always, is I'm going to wear these now for the next few days around the house. It's going to annoy me being that way around. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to wear these for the next few days around the house. So they should be nice and clean still when I come back. And then I'll give you an overview of my thoughts on wearing them. Seller uashoe.ru, details in the description of the video, discount code MatthewCX. Okay, so we've been wearing these Air Jordan 4s now for the last about 5 days around the house actually, and you know what, they are really comfy. I said during the video that they felt really strong, and they do. They feel really strong, real good support around the ankle area, and they're just a comfy pair of trainers in all honesty. Quite surprised actually how much I've enjoyed wearing these ones. I do like my Air Jordan 4s, and that's the reason why I thought I'm going to get another pair. White is, as I said, I love the colour, I really do. I do worry about it though, because I know that they're going to get dirty, but yeah, these are a classy pair of trainers. So when I am in the office next, they will be worn. I will not lie at that. I just hope it's going to be a nice weather day. The seller is uashoe.ru. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. If you've got any questions or comments, then by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. There is also a discount code, which is MatthewCX. Whack that in when you buy a pair of trainers from their site and you'll save yourself 10%. It doesn't have to be on these trainers. It can be any on their site. But as I swoop around, just give you that final little look. I hope you have enjoyed this one. And if you have, let's say, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.